to the last game of Popo Manoa, the quarterfinals. Yes, it is. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas time. And our teams have waited a long time to get here. Calling them now with their reindeer horns and their Christmas hats. Calling out to team, keep it steady. Keep it steady. Okay. Waftailava team, keep it steady. Welcome back. Your opposition team for tonight. Team, swipe it right. Swipe it right. Talafalava teams, welcome back. Loving the unicorn, the lights and everything. And your dance moves. Okay, teams. Valu Valu V. First round of Popo Manoa. We will go through famous faces, places, logos, songs, and movies. We will show them on the screen. And the first team to buzz in and give the correct name of the famous face, the famous place, logo, song, or movie wins 10 points for their team. Now, team, before we begin our game, can you all put your hands together like this? Yes? And Millie. Oh, very nice. Our teams are ready. Main rule of Millie is to rub your own hands and don't rub anyone else's hands, okay? Teams, your first famous face is a very handsome man. Keep it steady.
Chris Hemsworth.
That is correct. And 10 points for team, keep it steady. Our second famous face. Very, very powerful man from a certain country. You're buzzing. Yes, he is from India. The Prime Minister of India, if anyone remembers. No? You may have seen him on the news, or no, we watched the news. Facebook. Okay, out of time. His name is Narendra Modi. He is the Prime Minister of India. Well, now you know him. Narendra, yes. Now, don't worry, teams. Your third and last famous face. Ooh, a local famous person. Team, swipe it right.
Cristiano Messini.
That is correct. And 10 points for team, swipe it right. Do you know who Cristiano Messini is? That is also. I wish I could give you more points, but our famous places. Nice going. Okay. This famous place is somewhere in the world. Keep it steady.
This is the Louvre Museum in France.
That is correct. And 10 points. Thank you very much. Come on. Yes, team. For famous places, name of the place and the village or country that it's in. Second famous place. This is somewhere in Samoa. Swipe it right. Falealupo is correct. What is the name of the place? Oh, we are out of time. Nice try. 5 points. Falealupo is correct. What is the name of this place? Famous place. No idea. Okay, nice going, teams. This place is called the Catholic Church Ruins in Falealupo. So 5 points for team. Swipe it right. Nice going, guys. Our third famous place. Oh, it's a very big. Yes.
Big Ben, London. England.
What is the name? England?
UK.
That is correct. And 10 points. Keep it steady. Now moving on to our logos. Okay, this famous logo has, let's see, you've seen it before? Yes,
Samoa Airways.
that is correct. And keep it steady. 10 points. Second famous logo. It's international. Yes.
Amazon.
Amazon is also correct. 10 points for your team. Thank you, drama. Thank you. Third famous logo. Keep it steady.
Netflix.
Netflix is correct. Netflix buzzed in first. Fast to the buzzer teams. And now we're done with our still pictures. We are going on to songs now. And your first song. Keep it steady.
Taylor Swift. Anti-hero. Yeah.
That is also correct. 10 points for team. Keep it steady. Our second song. Wow, keep it steady. Fast to the buzzer.
Lady Gaga, Edge of Chloe.
That is also correct. Another 10 points. Team, keep it steady. Don't worry. Swipe it right. Swipe it right. This next one is yours. Your third song. Keep it steady.
I got a feeling. Black Eyed Peas.
That is also correct. Okay. Oh wow.
Thanks, girl.
We should hide the Quran. That is correct. Great going, teams. We're now done with songs. Moving on to movies. This first movie is Keep It Steady. Oh, and you're out of time. Nice going. Keep it steady. Over to Swipe It Right.
It's the winter song.
Gang of New York.
Yes, sir?
Gang of New York.
Is it the Gang of New York? And that is incorrect. Nice try. Don't worry. Don't lose points for that. This movie is called Winter's Tale. I heard Winters from this side, but nice going. Your second movie is Keep It Steady.
Ghostbusters.
Ghostbusters, yes. Full name? There's a little bit more after the Ghostbusters.
Batu.
But very close, but that is incorrect. Give a chance to Swipe It Right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ghostbuster Alien Part 2.
Part 2 is also incorrect. Nice try, buddy. This is called Ghostbusters Afterlife. Afterlife is the name of this Ghostbusters movie. Don't worry. And our last movie for Valu Valu V. Keep it steady.
School of Good and Bad.
Good and evil.
Good and Evil.
That is correct. 10 points for your team. Oh, Westman's boxing. And ladies and gentlemen, we'll be back for round 2 of the Cups. After. Talafalava, ladies and gentlemen, we are now over to the game of cups, where the first round called Flip Cup. The teams will try and flip the cup like so, and make it land face down. The first team to get all their teammates to complete the task wins 10 points. Coming up first is Alpha for Swipe It Right and Alex for Keep It Steady. Okay, handshake is done. When you guys are ready, your time starts now. Whoever finishes first, team. Alex and Alpha, going ahead. That's a big one from Let's go. Oh, almost there, almost there. Alex, getting close. Alex, almost there. Alpha. Ooh, very strong flips. Okay, Alex, down. Let's see. Alpha, almost. Oh, Angeli, down. Merfua, one down for team. Swipe it right. And finish for team. Congratulations, guys. We'll be back for round 2. Talafalava, ladies and gentlemen, we are now at round 2 of the cups called the Great Balls of Cup. Alpha will throw the balls into Pati's cup and Pati will catch the balls. First, you stack all 5 cups with balls inside, you win 10 points. You only have 30 seconds to complete this task, okay? On your mark, get set, go! That's 1. Okay, let's go 2. That's 2. And let's go for 3. Oh, professional ball throwers and yep. Oh, so close. Okay, 2 more to go. Be careful not to drop the cups. Okay. Okay, one more. Oh, two. Melee working very hard. Nice one, team. And 30 seconds. You guys did complete the task, yes? Congratulations. We are now with Team Keep It Steady. Teams, if you heard me go over the rules, I won't repeat it again. But you will be throwing the balls, Fua will be collecting them, and you have 30 seconds to beat. Okay, Yeli and Alex, on your mark, get set, go! Okay, that's 1. Okay, 2. That's 3. Oh, 4. 1 more. 1. And 16 seconds. World record for PBM. Well done. Talafalawa teams and ladies and gentlemen, we are now at cup hands where teams will try and stack the dice on top of each other, working together. Okay, team. Work as a team and try and beat the time. 30 seconds is all you have to complete this task. If we do come to a draw, we will go to Can Kamo. All the best. Your time starts now. Okay. Keep it steady. On 1. Up. 2. 1 more to go. Swipe it right. Being very careful. And time. This guy really doesn't like the cups. Well, congratulations, and that is all for Cuphead. Well done. We are now at Need for Speed. Alpha will try and blow the ball with the help of Pati and Melee to get around the cup and go off this end. The record for Need for Speed is 10 seconds. Let's see if we can beat that. Okay, team, swipe it right. Your time starts now. Okay, going very fast. Oh, blocked by the cup and finish. Oh, time 6.5 seconds. A new record for Bobono. Nice one again. Okay. We are now with Team Keep It Steady. Alex on the first blow. Angeli and Merfua finishing it off. Team Need for Speed. Get the ball around the cup. Team swipe it right. Got it in 6.5 seconds. Let's see if we can beat that record. Okay? Your time starts now. Oh. Let's finish. Oh, okay. Let's 4.59 and record. Great job, team. Nice one, eh? We'll be back for the last round of the cups. Talafalawa, ladies and gentlemen, I am now joined with Alpha and Angeli. The last round of the cups. They have to bend over and pick up the cup using their mouths. The first person to successfully complete this task wins 10 points for their team. Guys, fist bump before we begin. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Okay. Oh, wow. Hey! ladies and gentlemen, welcome to round 3 of Popo Mano'o, called Kokonati. Kokonati, ladies and gentlemen, will be played like last time, teams. If you remember, we will try and solve the puzzle. Guess a letter. For each correct letter, you win points. For each incorrect guess, you get a part of the coconut tree. We start off with the branch, then you get the leaves, and if you get the coconuts, your team will be eliminated for that round. No worries, team. We're going to start with team Keep It Steady. Keep It Steady. It is a famous word.
E.
E. We have a letter E. Starting off unlucky, don't worry. Team, swipe it right. A. We have an A. There is one A. A is. Team, keep it steady. S. Do we have an S? You get the coconut leaves. Nice going, Mefo. And your team? Don't worry. Keep it steady.
K.
K. Okay. K is incorrect. Nice. No, don't worry. Back to keep it steady.
T.
T. Do we have a T? Oh, unlucky. Keep it steady. Don't worry. Just this puzzle, you guys will have a rest now. But keep swiping right. This puzzle is all yours. D. Do we have a D? Okay, you have one more. You can solve the puzzle. Not that many letters. Person. R. Do we have an R? R is correct. So you gotta learn the first name, not in the last name. Any ideas? E. E is evil. I? I? Let's go with I. I is correct. So it's something A is in the middle.
N.
N. Do we have an N? N is there. So what kind of person is? I think I know it. Is it Iron Man? Is it Iron Man? And it is correct. Congratulations. Well done, team. Oh wow. Okay, team. Our second puzzle for Upu Samoa. We've removed all the English alphabet letters. Left the pito tau for you. You can guess from and try and solve it as fast as possible. We starting with swipe it right. Yes.
Yep.
Let us guess.
A.
A. We have an A. A elephant. A what? S. A is correct. One. Over to team. Keep it steady.
A.
Atsu. We have an A is there. Team. Swipe it right. La. We have a La. La is also correct. Keep it steady. You can solve anytime.
E.
E.
Ipu.
E. Ipu. E. Yes, it is correct. Swipe it right. T. T. Telefoni. T is correct. Keep it steady.
Ulu.
Ulu. Okay, that is correct. Swipe it right. Tule.
O.
O. O. Ofu. Oh, the puzzle is almost finished. Keep it steady. Do you like to solve? Far. We have a far. I think we're gonna solve this puzzle without it. One more letter. That is correct. Would you like to solve? You can. Yes.
E sono le fai tu le foto.
Is that correct? The solar fire to the photo. And that is correct. That is the end of round 2. We have one more puzzle to go. Before we begin this puzzle, for your information, this is the last puzzle for 2022. So before we finish it, we're gonna do one more thing for the people. Tangi Male Taika! Tangi Male Buffalo! Tangi Male Penguin! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a movie. We're gonna start with team. Keep it steady.
E. Elephant.
E for elephant. And E is correct. Swipe it right. H. We have an H. T. Wow, the first letter is the. The what though? Swipe it right.
L
L?
for love.
L for love. Oh, nice try. Love, but back to keep it steady. I. We have an I. Nice try. Yeah. Swipe it right. A for apples. A for atoms. A is correct. Keep it steady.
N.
We have an N for national. N is correct. Oh man. Would you like to solve it? No. M. Do we have an M? M is correct. The what man? Keep it steady. It actually might be the what man.
S.
We have an S. That's a good try. Fortunately, you guys get the leaves. Back to team. Swipe it right. O. We have an O. O is incorrect. Oh, both teams on edge here. Keep it steady.
R.
We have an R. R is correct. Back to team Swipe it right. You can solve anytime.
The drag.
What's this say?
The drag man.
The drag man. Is it the drag man? Nice. Going Alpha and your team? Yes, sir. Oh, that is incorrect. Nice. The boy. Over to team. Keep it steady.
Y.
Y. We have a Y. Y is correct.
Little song.
Like
The
song?
Gray Man.
Is it the gray man? The gray man is correct. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be back for the last round, lightning round. Puff time. Talafalava, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the end of the last game of Popo Manoa, the lightning round. I am now joined with Team Keep It Steady. The ladies are doing this round. The boys are gonna work. They worked really hard throughout the whole game. And now, ladies, Wheeler, Midful, and welcome. How are you guys feeling so far?
Good.
Really good. Yeah. I love you guys. Whose idea was it?
Thank you. It's a group idea.
Group idea.
Since we're the last quarterfinal, we just want to shout out to everyone.
Thank you very much. Merry Christmas from Team Keep It Steady, and me too. Well, team, you are all familiar with lightning round. We will try and go through as many questions as fast as we can, and your time starts after I read the first question. All the best. True or false? Aladdin's character was inspired by Tom Cruise.
True.
Which ornament is traditionally placed on the top of our Christmas tree?
The star.
Which country is known as the land of the white elephants?
Thailand.
What does BBC stand for?
Pass.
How many stars are on the US flag?
50.
True or false? It takes a sloth 2 weeks to digest a meal.
True.
What type of bird often appears on Christmas cards?
Duh.
True or false? A shrimp's heart is in its head.
Pass. False. Sorry.
What is the national flower of Wales?
Rose.
What is the name of the famous leaning tower?
Pizza.
What color is Yoda's lightsaber?
Green.
What is the largest type of deer?
Pass.
True or false? David was killed in the lion's den.
False.
Who is the inventor of the telephone?
Alexander Bell.
Thank you very much, team. And that is all the time we have for you. I'll see you guys shortly. Talafalava, ladies and gentlemen, we are now with the last team for tonight's game. Teams Wipe It Right. Joining me is Alpha, Bati, and of course Mele? Oh, you okay. Team, how are we feeling so far?
Good.
Good?
Happy channel. Happy
Happy chat. Well, it's been a very, very fun game with you guys. Alien Part 2 and everything. But yes, I hope, this lightning round goes really well for you. You are all familiar with it. Lightning round, we'll go through as many questions as fast as we can. And within 60 seconds, yes, your time starts after I read the first question. Good luck, team. True or false? Aladdin's character was inspired by Tom Cruise.
True.
Which ornament is traditionally placed on the top of our Christmas tree?
Star.
Which country is known as the land of white elephants?
Thailand.
What does BBC stand for?
British Broadcasting Corporation.
British Broadcasting Corporation.
How many stars are on the US flag?
50.
True or false? It takes a sloth 2 weeks to digest a meal.
False.
What type of bird often appears on Christmas cards?
Dove.
True or false? A shrimp's heart is in its head.
Oh, repeat.
True or false? A shrimp's heart is in its head.
True.
What is the national flower of Wales?
Pass.
What is the name of the famous leaning tower in Italy?
Pass.
What color is Yoda's lightsaber?
Green.
What is the largest type of deer?
Reindeer.
Thank you very much, Alpha, Bati, and Mele. We'll join you guys again shortly. Come time. Talafalava, ladies and gentlemen, we have finished Popo Manoa and the lightning round, gone through both our teams, and now we're going to go through their answers. For the first question, we asked both teams, true or false? Aladdin's character was inspired by Tom Cruise. Both teams answered true. Correct answer is true. Which ornament is traditionally placed on the top of our Christmas trees? Both teams answered star. That is correct. It is star, or it could be angel. Third question, which country is known as the land of the white elephants? Both teams answered Thailand. Thailand is correct. What does BBC stand for? We got a pass from Keep It Steady. British Broadcasting Corporation from Swipe It Right. That is correct. British Broadcasting Corporation is in fact BBC. How many stars are on the US flag? We got 50 stars from both teams. Both teams got it right. True or false? Oh yeah, but you guys knew your stuff. Okay, next question. True or false? It takes a sloth 2 weeks to digest a meal. We got a true from Keep It Steady. False from Swipe It Right. Correct answer is true. It does take 2 weeks. That is a long time to digest food. Oh. We'll talk about it later. I like it. You will fill it on the facts. Thank you guys. What type of bird often appears on Christmas cards? We got dove from both teams. The correct answer is robin. Robin is the kind of bird that usually appears on Christmas cards. True or false? A shrimp's heart is in its head. We got a true or false? A shrimp's heart is in its head. We got a pass from Keep It Steady. A true from Swipe It Right. Correct answer is true. Shrimp's heart is inside its head. What is the national flower of Wales? We got a rose from Keep It Steady. A pass from Swipe It Right. The correct answer is daffodil. 10. What is the name of the famous Leaning Tower in Italy? We got a pass from Swipe It Right. Pisa from Keep It Steady. Correct answer is Pisa. 10 points for Keep It Steady. What color is Yoda's lightsaber? We got green from both teams. Correct answer is in fact green. What is the largest type of deer? We got a pass from Keep It Steady. And we got reindeer. Swipe It Right. My friend Abba. Reindeer is unfortunately incorrect, my friend. The biggest kind of deer is the moose. Yes. Unfortunately, Swipe It Right stopped here. And Keep It Steady went on for 2 more. True or false? David was killed in the lion's den. They answered false. Correct answer is in fact false. And the last one, who is the inventor of the telephone? They answered Alexander Bell. And that is correct. Oh, was that a guess? Yes, but give yourselves a big hand. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of Popo Mono. Unfortunately, there can only be one winner, but tonight's game was a lot of fun. Coming in with 121 points, we have Team Swipe It Right. Congratulations. And Keep It Steady with 256 points. Half Thai Lava teams for playing. Thank you very much, Swipe It Right. Alpha, sir, Bati, Mele, it was fun playing with all of you guys. Hopefully you guys can come again next year, Alpha. I look forward to your fun facts. Yes. And Keep It Steady. You guys are now on to the semifinals. One more step to the finals. Yes, thank you very much. And Merry Christmas, Samoa, from all of us. Can we all say Merry Christmas on 3? 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas. Until next time, to Vazevua.